Hi everyone, welcome to Kapil's Tech Bytes, Haskell Shortcuts, Part 2. Those who have not seen Part 1, I have mentioned the link on the right corner section of the video. You can follow that. So let's start. The first is shortcut keys is Control F1. So this is our ribbon bar. If you wanted to hide it so that you can have more space on your sheet, you just simply press Control F1 and what will happen? Your ribbon box get collapsed. And to expand it again you have to press Control F1 and it will come back. And there are another option to do that is on the right section here you can see this arrow. So once you click on this will also help you to collapse it. And if you wanted to open it back, you just need to click on the tabs. So what will happen, this ribbon box will come back, but it will not get pinned. If you wanted to fix it permanently, you just need to click on this pin the ribbon button. So what will happen, it will come to its normal position. Okay, the next one is switch to print view. So suppose this is the sheet which I wanted to print. So there are multiple options. First is you can go to the file section. Here we have print option. So what will happen, the same print view will come where you can select the sheets you wanted to print, the and other settings which will cover in coming videos. Another option to see the print view is you can press Ctrl F2 and what will happen, the same format will appear which we have just seen now from the file section, and again you can do the changes as per your expectation. So the third function is insert a function. If you wanted to insert a function on any cell, what you simply need to do, just press Shift F3. So what will happen, insert function box will appear in here. Suppose we wanted to write sum of values from A2 to A7. So we'll just simply write sum and click on go. So what will happen, all the formulas related to sum will come here. So let's select the first one. Now in this dialog box we need to select for what values we want to sum. So in our case we wanted to do from A2 to A7. So here we'll change D to A and 2 will be replaced by 7 and just click on OK. So what happens here, it has given us the sum of A2 to A7 which is 21. Okay, now the fourth one is go to. So what this feature help us is, suppose where you have a lot of data and you have multiple fields and you wanted to see where you have formulas, blanks. So we simply need to press F5. What happens, a dialog box come, you need to click on special. Here now you can see there are multiple options to select. You wanted to search, suppose let's say you wanted to select a formula which is there in your sheet. So simply click on formula and click OK. So currently if you see our cell is on B1, okay, and we have a formula in E2. So what will happen, once you click on OK, it will search the formula in the entire sheet and take you to the first formula it found. So now if you see, it came to E2 cell because we have a formula here of sum A2 to A7. Now the next one is spell check spelling. So let's take an example. Here I'll write a word grammar with misspelling. Now if I wanted to correct this spelling, I just simply need to click F7. So what will happen? Firstly, it have found Control plus Shift plus U because it is not a kind of text, you can say correct text. So let us ignore this for once. Yes. Now if you see, it found grammar, which is a wrong one. Now we will just change it to grammar. So if you see spell check completed, you're good to go. So now our the spelling mistake is being corrected by Excel automatically. Now the next one is expand or collapse the formula bar. So this is our formula bar. If we wanted to expand or collapse this formula bar, we just need to click Control Shift U. So what happens now? My formula bar get expanded now. And another way to do that is you can simply click on the right side of this formula bar and it will expand and collapse. Minimize the workbook window. So suppose this is the workbook and I wanted to minimize it. So one option is to click on the right section of this minimize button, or the other one is control F9. So what will happen? This window will get closed, not closed, minimized. Now the last one is create a bar chart based on selected data. So suppose we have a data and I wanted to create a chart. So let's take an example: north, south, west, east, and here I have some values and I wanted to create a chart based on this data. So what happen? I'll select this data and just simply click on F11. So as you see, just simply clicking by one button, a chart came in front of me with the values I have marked. So north came with 4, south with 5, west with 6, and east with 7. Now you have multiple charts here which you wanted to select as per your requirement. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you very much.